Hello ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders. Today is Saturday, 3rd of October 2020. The time is 9:50 am. Welcome to our BBMA weekly analysis for the trading week of 5th to 9th of October 2020. As usual, we will first review our BBMA setup SOP. As for this week, we're not going to change anything in the SOP. We still trade with 4 time frame, weekly, daily H4 and H1. Our entry will be on H4. Our risk management, we will risk 2% per this week, okay, because we've seen the good result for the past few weeks, so we're going to risk 2% for this week. However, we're going to still trade 5 pair at the same time, and we're going to use automation in TradingView to assist our trading. Let's first review our last week trading performance. For last week trading performance, our growth was plus 0.88%, a little bit shy of 1%. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 trade close with take profit. However, the pending order was very little, so our profit was still less than 1%. And the good news is we don't have any stop out. However, we have 2 missed trade, which is on the UCAD and also the AUDUSD. Alright, let's look at this week's setup in TradingView. We start with looking at DXY as our USD currency index guidance. As you can see here, for DXY in weekly time frame, it's in our re-entry sell zone. Okay, price have make a upward movement the previous week, and we project it to sell, and we go down for sell, and it actually create a resistance area here. On daily time frame, we can see that price has making this strap called TPW. This is extreme. Okay, it make a TPW here. It will later go up and make a MHV, and we go down. So we maybe we'll expect a small retracement on the XY next week, retracement upward. On H4 time frame, price is at this mid BB. However, we can take this setup as a re-entry sell, okay, because this is CSM sell, re-entry sell. This is MHV and re-entry sell again. On H1, we can see that price is making a CSAK sell. So in this case, our sell setup, we want to see the H1 continue and close below the low BB like this. So currently the direction of DXY is still downtrend. Okay. All right. So let's look at EURUSD. For EURUSD, starting at the weekly time frame, as you can see here, price has closed above the MA510 low. This is a re-entry buy setup, and it actually make a support area here. Our buy setup target will be around here, which is a resistance zone. On daily time frame, we can see it's making a this is a re-entry buy because it's go up and then it close back below here. So it actually reject the MA510 low area. So we can take this as a re-entry buy to continue move upward. And or you can take this as a MHV buy as well. So we're gonna take this as MHV buy. On H4, currently we can see it's this is a re-entry buy, is CSM, okay, and it's re-entry buy again. And on H1, we can see price is, this is extreme buy, okay, MHV buy, because we have not seen any CSAK yet, so this is still an MHV buy. So for EURUSD, we cannot buy now until we see a candle going up and close above the top BB on H1, because here we are below the mid BB. It's a bit risky to buy. So in H1 we see a CSM here, so we need a CSM buy to continue the buy setup. So what we're gonna do is, sorry, I should have removed this before the video. So this is all our alert for last week. So what we're gonna do for Euro USD, we are not able to buy at the moment because the confirmation is not there. So we need to set alert for CSM buy on H1. Okay, so this will be our first alert for this week. CSM buy. Okay, there you go. All right, so wait for CSM buy, then we continue our buy setup for Euro USD. Next pair is AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, currently the price is at re-entry buy, same, almost same with Euro USD, in making a support here. Okay, on daily time frame, this is extreme buy. So this is a CSAA buy, okay, or TPW buy, okay, because this is extreme buy, okay, TPW. Okay, so this is TPW buy, and on H4 we can see price is making this is CSM, so this is a re-entry buy to continue to move upward. And on H1 is also already above here. So since H4 is above the mid BB, for AUDUSD, what we can do is we can buy from the current price all the way down here, and we should place our stop around here. Okay, maybe at below low BB, because there's a support here and we want to buy until this level. If it broke below here, or maybe we can put support our stop around here, because if it broke here, mean it want to continue to go downward. So this will be our entry zone for from current price to around below this week here. So this will be our buy zone for AUDUSD. All right, next pair is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, we start from weekly time frame. Okay, it's the same thing. Almost every pair with USD is the same thing. Last week candle closed with bullish, create a support here. We target to go until the MA510 high. So this is the entry buy. Daily is making a CSAK buy, which is very good. And then on H4, however, price is already at MA510 high. So in H4, our entry zone should be from here to here. Okay, and we place our stop below this candle. We don't want it to be too low here, because if we break this low, mean the price want to continue to move downward. Okay, so this will be our re-entry buy zone for GBPUSD. Next pair, USDJPY. For USDJPY, starting at the weekly time frame, we can see that last week candle closed bearish after it make a big retracement here. So this will be our re-entry sell setup. On D1, okay, on D1 we can see price making an extreme buy here, but did not make a CSM. Instead it go back down here. So we will take this setup as a re-entry sell. Okay, and if we look at H4, H4 is this is a extreme buy, and it gonna make a MHV here. but since our higher time frame was a sell, so we will take this setup as a re-entry sell as well. So for USDJPY, what we can do is we can take a sell from current price actually, because this candle is really strong, and we take it until the top of this candle. So if price go above this candle, I mean it want to go up, so we can place our stop here. We don't have to go all the way until the top BB, because they'll be very big, and it will it will make our risk reward ratio goes negative. So where's our TP? Our TP will be here. Okay, this will be our TP. So if we look at H4, so this will be our TP zone, or you can be conservative and target below this candle wick. Okay, so USDJPY we can instant sell on H4. Next pair is USDCAD. USDCAD starting a weekly time frame is the same thing as USDJPY, because it's all related to USD. Price is currently at re-entry sell, a very nice setup, easy to see. And notice that the EMA 50 and also the mid BB are at the same place. And next, the MA 510 high also will be at the same place. So usually if this happen, there will be a strong move downward. Okay, on daily time frame, we can see there's a bearish engulfing here, mean the downward movement is strong. And however, currently the price is actually at the we can see this as a re-entry buy zone. However, remember this is a sell setup in a higher time frame, so we take this as TPW sell, so we don't confuse ourselves. On H4, price is currently at the re-entry sell. Okay, we close here. We take this as a re-entry sell following the higher time frame. And on H1, we can see here price also at the CSAK sell. So for USDCAD, actually we can instant sell, because price is already at the low BB, below the mid BB. We can take a sell from the MA 510 high. Okay, maybe it will come and retest again here to the high, to the body of this bearish engulfing candle, and our stop will be above this candle. Okay, so we don't have to make it super huge stop. Let me put it yellow so we can differentiate. Okay, so this is our plan for USDCAD. We're gonna sell this zone to it will make a retracement like this, and we sell, we continue to go down. Where the target, look at weekly time frame, MA 510 low is here, so this will be your target. Pretty good profit. Next pair, USD CHF. For USD CHF, it's the same setup all over again. Okay, re-entry sell daily, we'll see bearish engulfing here, and currently is a TPW sell on H4. Okay, H4 price try to go up above the mid BB and close back. Actually it's right at the low BB, so mid BB, sorry. So we want to look at the H1. Okay, for this one, there's a CSM here, and since this price is not very obvious, so what we're gonna do is we want to wait for this candle to close below the low BB to take the trade. So we set alert, CSM sell, MA 50. I think it will close below MA 50, but let's just put that note there. Okay, great. Okay, and the last pair, NZDUSD. NZDUSD from weekly. Here we can see that price is nicely at the re-entry buy zone. Okay, on daily time frame, there's already a bullish engulfing here. Okay, extreme buy. So we take this as a CSAA buy. Okay, and on H4, this is a re-entry buy. Very easy. H1 CSAK buy. Okay, then in this case our buy setup is valid, so we can entry from here until maybe around here, give it a little bit of room. Or if you want to be aggressive, you can enter from current price because this is considered quite low, and place the stop. I'll place my stop below the body of this candle. Okay, so I mean if we go down, actually I'll put it like this. Okay, and I'll put my stop here because if you go below this wick, mean you want to continue to go down. So this will be our entry zone where we want to see price to retrace a little bit. Okay, go to our zone and then wait for it to continue upward to our TP level over here at this MA 510, which when I brought it up to H4 will be all the way up here around 96,700. Okay, so basically that's it for this week. Let's do a recap. So for this week, you see the XY as weak. This is due to the NFP. We can see. Let's look at the Forex Factory. Okay. Calendar. We have to see on Friday. We can see that the NFP is quite weak, so that so that means that USD will continue to go down. Okay, and then for EU we're gonna buy, but we're gonna set alert. AU we're gonna instant buy, GU instant buy, UJ instant sell, UCAD instant sell, UCHF we need to set alert because the setup is not ready, and NU we can instant buy. So this is our trading plan for next week. So I wish you all the best for your trading. Stay safe, and till we meet again next week. Bye bye.